World Championship 100-meter champion Coleman has been provisionally suspended for a whereabouts rule violation. But in a social media rant, the American suggested that in the past he was contacted by doping officials before being tested. But should this be the case? Former doping control officer Dr. Paul Wright weighs in more in this report.
Dr. Paul Wright, who saw himself as one of the most hated doping control officers when he worked for the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, says it's out of the mandate of doping control officers to contact athletes for random testing. American Coleman felt more could have been done to reach out to him to ensure he was able to do the out-of-competition test in the 1-hour window. But Dr. Wright pointed out that the athletes are always a step ahead of the testers.
Mr. Coleman said he was in a shopping mall and they should have phoned him.
Yes.
Doping control officers cannot do that. Because what you're going to do is give a man who is not at the address where he said he is a 1-hour window to do whatever he can do to make sure that when he passes, he comes for the test. He's negative. They have several ways of beating these tests if they know that you are there now. Because they don't know which day you're going to turn up out of the 365.
Dr. Wright also pointed to different measures taken by athletes and their handlers in recent times to hide doping.
You look at the hair distribution, you look at the performance levels, you look at voice inflection, you have people that suddenly have no hair, people that suddenly have long hair, all by different ways you can do it. And also the eyebrows, the teeth, some of the drug testers, especially growth hormone, wear braces as adults. And we know that braces is for when you're growing. But if you take growth hormone as an adult, your eyebrow, over the eyebrows, teeth, then go forward, put braces on. So you see the adults in the braces and you say, you don't know, but you test negative, but you know.
In 2013, JADCO was accused of not doing enough testing by former boss Renee and Shirley. But Dr. Wright says he's more comfortable with the current process.
My information, I don't have it verified. I'm just told that the random tests are not up to date and that they're doing blood testing, which is the one way we can get to catch them now. Produce a blood passport, can see the changes that occur even though your blood test is negative. So you can you can be banned for changes in a blood passport even though every time it is negative. Because we now know that suppose you have your red blood cells and you have pre-cells and post-cells and they are supposed to be equal. And all of a sudden one is twice the number of the other. And when it is negative, we know that you must have taken a drug. And we'll ban you for that. We have different ways of doing it.
Dr. Wright was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill earlier this week with host Simon Crosskill. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.